Okay, so here we're entering 2123 Southeast 11th Avenue, and as you see when you walk in here, look at these ceiling fans and these vaulted soaring ceilings. This beautiful open floor plan, great for entertaining. You actually have a breakfast nook in here. There's a dining room. There's a split floor plan here where there's 2 bedrooms on one side and a guest bathroom. And there's also the primary bedroom is in here, which is beautiful. Has access to the lanai. Swimming pool was just added in 2015. And it is solar heated swimming pool. There's a really nice sized primary ensuite bath here. We have double sinks, walk-in closet. There's a jetted tub, and look at that shower. You got a shower for 2 in here, people. So here, there's 2 different types of flooring here. There's tile, and there is laminate flooring as well. And here's another shot of the entryway when you come into the house, and this nice open floor plan. And as we're going in here, we are going to be looking at the first guest bedroom, or the second bedroom, which as you can see, it is a very nice appointed room. Lots of closets in here. Look at the closets. Lots of closets. Such a nice, clean home. The seller has taken really nice care of this home. This bathroom is very nice. It's like hardly ever used, she even said. So we're walking into this third bedroom, which also has access to the lanai through these beautiful big sliding glass doors. Here's another shot of what your backyard is going to look like here. And here you have privacy areca palms out there that are somebody else's yard, so they get to maintain them. But we'll get to that in a minute. But here we go again here. Look at these nice closets, huh? Nice storage in here. Big, nice floor plan. Like I said, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Look at the kitchen. Look at the mosaic tile in there and that tile work at the backsplash. Look at how nice that is, huh? So pretty. This house is just under 1,400 square feet, but to be honest, you would never know it because when you come in here, you have so much space to move around. It's so nice. So we're gonna go out here to the lanai. There's actually 2 areas here where you can, they have 2 dining sets set up. I mean, that's how big this lanai is. All pavered here. So you have a spot here to eat. There's ceiling fans out here as well. There's a whole lounge area, fenced in yard for privacy, and well, not so much privacy because it's chain link, but it's really nice security for your pets and your children so they can run around and play out here. Very nice neighborhood. It's just a mile from Rosen Park, so bring your boat. They have a boat ramp there. A lot of people like to walk their dogs there as well. It's a nice place to go. This is a super quiet neighborhood in the southeast section of Cape Coral. It's kind of like a forgotten little gem because it's out of the bustle, but yet it's close to everything. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And I'm Tara Brummer with Treasure Key Realty here in sunny Southwest Florida. This home is located at 2123 Southeast 11th Street, like I said earlier, here in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. This home is being listed at $369,000. She is a very motivated and serious seller, so please feel free to contact me at 239-322-9243, or you can visit my website at treasurekeyrealty.com. Have an amazing day.